this video I would like to share you how to use SUMIFS formula between two dates. SUMIFS formula generally used to calculate the sum of cell values with multiple conditions. Let us see how it works. SUMIFS formula should have sum range, criteria range and multiple criterias. We can use up to 127 criterias in SUMIFS formula. Here I have date in the B column and cell units in the C column. If I put from date and to date here, then I should get total cell units between these two dates. I will put from date here and to date. Also I am going to use greater than equal to for from date and less than equal to for to date in the SUMIFS formula. Now I am going to use SUMIFS formula equal SUMIFS sum range, select column C, criteria range 1, select column B, criteria 1 greater than equal and select from date, criteria range 2, select B column, criteria 2 less than equal to and select to date. Sum of cell units from 5th January to 10th January is 117. It is matching with this formula. Let me change this date from 1st January to 15th January. The sum of cell units 261. It looks the formula is correct. This is how SUMIFS formula used in Excel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.